Consumer Cellular's unlock policy. The short answer. Yes, phones sold directly by Consumer Cellular are unlocked when you buy them, especially for GSM networks. This means you can use them with other carriers like AT&T or T-Mobile. This aligns with FCC rules. Older CDMA models might need a simple unlock request via customer service, which is free. If you buy a phone from a third-party retailer under the Consumer Cellular brand, it might be locked initially, but Consumer Cellular support can unlock it. Unlocked phones give you the freedom to switch carriers easily. This flexibility helps customers avoid roaming fees and choose the best network for their needs. Consumer Cellular uses AT&T's network, so unlocked phones work on AT&T, T-Mobile, and similar networks. Consumer Cellular also supports eSIM technology, making unlocking even simpler since there is no physical SIM card to switch. Overall, Consumer Cellular's approach prioritizes flexibility, positioning them as a user-friendly choice, particularly for seniors and those on a budget.